Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to recover Cash App account. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Before you start, gather a few important details. Make sure you have access to the email address or phone number linked to your account, your cash tag if you remember it, and any bank or card information you've previously used. Having these ready will speed things up. Now, open Cash App or reinstall it if needed. On the login screen, enter your registered email or phone number. Instead of a traditional forgot password option, Cash App will send you a verification code via SMS or email. Enter that code to confirm your identity and regain access. If you're unsure about your login details, you can check your device's password manager. Go to your Google settings and open the password manager. Then search for Cash App. It may show your saved email, phone number, and password. You can do the same on a computer or any browser where you previously logged in. If you're still unable to access your account, the next step is to contact support. Inside the app or via the website, go to the support section and select something like, "I can't access my account." Follow the on-screen instructions and provide as much information as possible. A support representative may ask you to verify your identity before restoring access, so be honest and accurate with your details. This helps ensure your account stays secure. And that's it. So that's basically how you can recover Cash App account. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.